Oh man, very happy to be here. I always say I'm very happy to be here because that's the truth. And you know, you can't escape the truth if you try to. Just gonna cause issues for yourself, I guess. Today I have a friend, a brother in the studio. Just watch his music video. But before we get to all that, thank you guys so much for tuning in. You could be doing anything in the world, but you're here with me, Jason LA, as you can see down there. Yes, this is MX Live, MX24 GH, where we talk about everything pertaining to music, entertainment, the industry, the whole 9 yards, right? But I have to let you know, the AM Club, you know, our morning shows from Monday to Friday, they have a really cool promo that's out there. Now, don't miss out on your chance to win big every single Friday with the AM Club Payday promo. Join the AM Club Payday promo and stand a chance to win fantastic cash prizes once you participate. And if you do want to participate, very, very simple. All you have to do is dial *387 *1#. That is *387 *1#. Very, very simple. Select the number of tickets you want to purchase at just 5 Ghana cedis. Remember that more tickets you buy, the greater your chances of winning. Then you enter your PIN right after that. Participation is exclusive to MTN users. The AM Club Payday promo is regulated by the National Lottery Authority on the Caritas Lottery platform. Not for persons below 18, of course, and terms and conditions definitely apply. If you want more information, you can also reach out to us through our social media pages, MX24GH. The hashtag, of course, is MXLIVE for the show if you want to be a part of the conversation. I have Fancy Gadam here. If there's any questions you want to ask at all, sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I promise you, I'm bringing you one of the best conversations ever. Stay tuned in. We'll be right back. Man, live, of course, as I said, happy to be here because I have a brother who I haven't seen in so long. Yeah. And you know, as soon as he came in, first thing I said is, it's been so many years. And you know, this thing breaks my heart, you know, when you see your brothers only during work moments. But the good thing about that is, you know, when you see someone you haven't seen in a long time, you see them, they're in good spirits, they're doing what they love to do. And it's a reminder to keep following your dreams. And this guy is one such example. Fancy.
About the house.
Charlie, it's been years.
I mean,
Charlie, how you been, man? You're looking good.
Thank you, man.
What did you chop for day? For tell me. Okay, you have to invite me over, man. But as I was saying, even though I haven't seen, what, 3-4 years? It's very good to see, you know, you're doing what you love and you have a lot you've been up to, from concert to an album to another upcoming concert. We're going to get into that. But since I haven't seen you in a while, how have you been, man? And what have you been up to?
Yeah, so music from studio to studio always, you know, moving from studio to studio and from shows to shows. How we go do? Man must survive now. And the Gadam Nation have been so supportive with this whole journey. I just want to say thank you so much for, you know, believing in me from day one, from the Calipo days up to the competition album. I do, you know.
Are you surprised at all at how successful you've been over the years? Because I'm sure you were just a young boy who had a dream, who wanted to make music, and it's taken off, you know, to astronomical heights. When you look back at all you've been through, do you get surprised like, wow, Charlie, even though I want to do more, I'll do some?
Yeah. Oh, alhamdulillah, that's how we say alhamdulillah, because looking at the journey, I have, you know, I've fought a lot of, you know, obstacles on the way, and then I always believe in what I'm doing, and then my management, thanks so much to my management for always believing in my craft. They always tell me, yo, you can do it. They always give me the vim, they always give me the courage. And then, as you were saying, yes, I know I still want to go far, but what I've done, alhamdulillah, because so many artists, even in Accra, can do what I'm doing. So, alhamdulillah. Because parking at, you know, sports stadiums, arenas, it's not easy. And I've been doing this for 7 years today. Oh, yeah.
And you actually got 7 albums. We're going to get into that too. But Fancy, one thing I want to know, right, with everything you've done a lot. Like you said, a lot of artists don't reach these heights. What's your definition of success? Is it the people? Is it the money? Is it the fact that you are blessed to release music? Is it selling out concerts? Is it all of these things? What's success to you?
Yeah, so there's a lot to be a successful person. You know, you supporting a brother can be a successful. You know, because if you have money and you can't support your colleague, your success is nothing. You understand? And then, you know, music, we do music to make people happy, to put smiles on people's faces. You understand? So success is various, you understand? But, you know, I would just say a successful artist is somebody who have core fan base.
Oh, that's deep. So maybe that artist may not be winning awards every single day.
Yeah, but you have people who feed you.
Yeah.
Who buy your music, people who support your concert, and you are successful.
Yeah. And you have that.
I have that.
Easy.
Everybody knows.
Okay, so now you obviously have the friends, you have the brothers, you have the fans. How's the industry been to the brand Fancy Gadam? Because the industry, again, it could be the awards, you know, getting called for shows, you know, showing love, you know, and all these little things. Has the industry been nice, caring, loving to Fancy Gadam?
Yeah, I can't say that. I wouldn't have been here if the industry is not good, because you have given me opportunity to come and talk to my people. You understand? So the industry is good. And then my colleague artists, they've been so supportive. Anybody that I need a collaboration, they give it to me without asking any penny from me. So the industry is good.
So the industry has been good. Yeah. But is the industry good? Now, it's being good to you is one thing. It being good is another thing, you know, because I'm sure you see what a lot of artists go through, right?
Yeah, so...
Financially, we want to do well. We want to win the Grammys. We want to go to the BET Awards every single year. Do you see that happening anytime soon?
Yeah, so I can't say it is good for everybody, but I will tell you that everything has time.
I like
because
that.
When I don't rush in things. I know when God says it is my time, no man can block me.
True.
You understand? So this year can be Fancy Gadam year or Shatawali's year or Stoneboy's year. It doesn't stop me whether it is my year or not. I still have people that follow me, people that wants to hear from me, and that is what I've been doing.
Yeah. Fancy, since I've known you, you've always been a very, and off camera, on camera, very humble, very grateful. You understand your path, you know, you stay in your lane, so to speak, and do your thing. Is that just who you are? Is that, would I say, how your parents raised you? Because, you know, we're in a world where it's so competitive. Everybody wants to do everything. Yeah. But sometimes you have to understand, you know, just take a little break, you know, just understand yourself.
Yeah, you see, the thing is that because of where I'm coming from, we know we appreciate a lot. And at the end of the day, because of where I'm coming from, the kind of airplay and then the kind of, you know, attention that, like, we were supposed to be getting, we don't get it because we are far away from the media in Accra here.
Okay.
So if I have been, like, you know, I've managed to get recognition, like, you know, in the capital, it means a lot. You understand? So I know I'm expecting more from the whole media. I'm not getting that much attention that I need, but at least what I'm getting to, we appreciate it.
Yeah.
So if I get more, it will be nice.
Yeah. One thing I also love about you is, you know, whenever you're having these conversations, I see you in interviews, you're always bigging up your people. You're always talking about the North, even though there's a distance, you know, wanting to, you know, break through in every part of Accra. Do you think generally, right, when you're watching the media space, we're having that conversation enough? Because Kumasi is Ghana, the North is Ghana, Takrade is Ghana, not just Accra is Ghana, right? And a lot of artists, again, this conversation, we've heard it sometimes, you know, if you're not in Accra, you're not going to break through. The media has to push and stuff. Are we having that conversation enough? And has it gotten better in involving the whole Ghana, you know, as a whole when it comes to the artists?
Yeah, when it comes to that, I would say the industry is weak when it comes to that. But trust me, you will see some big songs in Accra here, which is not big in the North. Oh, yes, because the North is very big.
Yeah.
Looking at where I'm coming from, I'm from Tamale. And there's Wa, that's bigger city too. And there's Boga. And you know what? These places doesn't speak my dialect. So even to you know, make it big.
Yeah, to cross that border, right? Yeah.
Alone too, it's a big challenge.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So I think the industry need to make sure that they expand their hands when it comes to the North. But that thing they are saying that, you know, you would have to be in Accra before you can make it. I don't believe in that. Because I didn't come to Accra before I become who I am.
Yeah.
I was just in Tamale. The only thing you have to do is make sure you do good, make sure your own people accept you. And when your own people accept you and they push you, the whole world will get to know you. But we can't say this without, we all know that Accra is the capital. When you have the big song in Accra, automatically it is everywhere. So the reason why we are now pushing hard is that we don't want to, you know, stay at our comfort zone.
Okay.
Because we need a bigger market.
Yeah.
You understand? So that is why we are here to promote our music.
Do you think it's going to change anytime soon, where we have 3, 4, 5 fancy Gadams, you know? Because you're trailing.
No, it depends on what I'm bringing now.
Yeah.
When you listen to the album, nobody will tell you.
Okay. So we're actually going to get to the album. You know, 13 songs on there.
Oh yeah.
And I want to know also, do you get agitated, annoyed when they say try to box you in and they say, oh, you're the king of the north? You know, that's fancy Gadams.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like that title anymore. Because I don't want to stay in the north. We are all Ghanaians.
Yes.
So don't tell me I'm the king of the north. No. I'm one of the kings in Ghana. You understand? And the day, people that you are even calling kings, you know, what are they do? They don't go feed do. Make you see me well. They don't go feed do. So what's the difference? We are all kings. We all deserve that respect. So don't tell me I'm the king of the north. So anything that has to do with the whole Ghana, you limit it to people who are in Accra. No. I don't like them.
Yeah, because I think you hardly hear them say the kings of Accra.
You know.
But did you understand why they were doing that before?
Yeah.
Like if you think about it,
it is because, well, I can't say I'm not from the north.
Definitely.
Yes, I represent the north anytime. But when it comes to, you know, we are all pushing Ghana. Because it's through music. And the music is a food to the soul. Anybody can like my music, whether I'm from the north, or I'm from Kumasi, or I'm from, you know. Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. I don't know this, and I genuinely want to know, do we have artists crossing borders coming to the north, performing?
Oh, yes.
Like some of the biggest artists?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Almost every year, they come to do shows in the north. Like Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Sarkodie. Yes, I did the show with Sarkodie.
Nice.
Some years back, it was successful. Like, you know, a lot of artists are coming to do.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
It's good that you're adding your voice to this, and you know, it's good that you appreciate your people, and it's good that you have dreams the way you do. And you recently actually had a concert.
Yeah.
Bro, it was crazy. And I asked you off air, do you know the number of people that were there? And you're like, I don't even know. Like, fancy for years, you know, these people support. I mean, looking at something like that, right? And you know, one thing about success is somebody like, let's look at Messi and let's look at Ronaldo. They do it so many times, it becomes normal. Or Messi scored 100 goals.
Yeah, normal, yeah.
Ronaldo is born about
you got to say it easy.
Yeah, but you see, that's the thing.
Yeah,
that's what actually was about to say. People be like, oh, fancy Duam. It'd be easy. But I'm assuming you don't take that for granted. The same amount of work goes inside. Am I right?
That's true. You know, you be amazed. You ask yourself questions. Why is this people supporting Fancy Gadam so much in love? No, it is the work. We always make sure that every year we put in work, and then the people who are supporting Fancy Gadam are not stupid. If you're not doing something right, why would they support you? Yeah. So it means there's something right going about Fancy Gadam. That is why the love is always increasing, the fan base always increase, and then we are winning a lot of souls with music.
Yeah. So the thing is, you actually had the launch of the album at this concert. So we're going to watch the highlights. When we get back, we're going to get into the album, your favorite songs and all that.
No problem.
And you have another concert coming up.
Yes.
This guy is sleeping, man. Guys, check this out. Let us know what you think.
Hey, yo, Fancy, you out of this world, man. We're not about to get another lyricist of your kind. Don't you know my local company? The reason why I got them that quality. They don't appreciate your work. You are your big, never don't make it you. Fancy the fire. Faradin bella catapra de biora, moto shorty ya tukutolanda bora. The meat me pam din che katapura, mama fabanda no bandiru gunara na. Kayata minudam kazaya kajara, bunne tuche kanam guno za swara. Imani labu kababa, aleti lara bishami mumukwa. Amadou Mujahi Bello, Dambello, Isabello, Zaman and La competition. They will ride them at the Danya mission. Tanya player in young bass at tuition. Hila Yilibu Ding profession. Face Ranyama, I'm a face here. No bass over no Garcia. Get friend like Azasia. Look at the source of Galatia.
Fancy, do you get emotional when you see this? Sometimes. I don't know, maybe in your room somewhere, when you're driving, or, you know, when you just remember. Because I asked you again off air how many years you've been doing this, and you were counting, like it's been 7-8 years already.
Yeah.
Do you get emotional?
Why not? Because it's not easy. You know, words can't explain how happy I am. This Gadam nation, God bless everyone who have been so supportive. And then they believe in Fancy Gadam, and there's no day Fancy Gadam I will let them down. The Gadam nation, the Gadam native.
And there were some other things there. I saw you perform live.
Yeah.
You know, and you also introduced artists, you know, the upcoming artists, and this is something you do all the time. Why is that also so important to you? Because Fancy could just come perform and go home.
No, we can't do that. Because,
but he doesn't do that,
A lot of people, you know, give us that opportunity to also perform, and today I become Fancy Gadam today. So, you know, the same way I also give some artists opportunity to also showcase their talent, so that one day when Fancy Gadam is no more in the music industry, they can take over. Because I know I can never reign forever. Even life fades. Yeah. Let's talk of, you know, fame. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. Human being die. Yeah. Let's talk of fame. Yeah. So whether I like it or not, I know I won't reign forever. Some young champs to come and, you know, take over. But the good thing is we need to, you know, recognize this talent and give them opportunities. Yeah. So that when we are no more, they can also say, oh, one day Fancy Gadam gave me opportunity to perform.
Right. And let's talk about the album now, because you launched this there. Yeah. You performed some of the songs. Did you perform all the songs?
Oh, not all the songs, because I can't perform because it was new. Yeah. So I released only 2 songs from the album before the concert. Okay. And then after the concert, I bring it out.
You brought the album.
And then it's already doing well, because yesterday, 2 weeks, I had 2 million streams on Audiomack. Wow. The competition album. Okay. You can check it out. I have so many beautiful songs on the album.
Title? Why competition?
Competition album.
Are you trying to tell us that you have no competition? Like it's only Fancy?
Oh wow.
Fancy, if it's the truth, it's the truth.
No, the thing is that, you know, the reason why I named this competition is looking at where I'm coming from, and looking at how I started this whole thing, looking at who I've become today, and then where I want to go. There is, like, you know, a lot of, you know, obstacles on the way. I've been fighting with myself, fighting with so many things on the way. And then when I came out with my first album, my fans were saying, or some people were saying, that I cannot release an album that would beat the one I released. So I always compete with myself. And even the songs that made it to the album, I have more than 100 songs, and I have to choose only 13 songs. So the songs were even computing themselves. You understand? So that is why I named this album.
There's a man constantly, you know, trying to better himself.
And then what I'm saying you might not get it. When we start singing the songs, then you understand.
Shall I sing one of the songs? Sing one of your favorite songs on there.
I don't have favorite song on
there. Let's sing one of the songs. You have to sing something. Fancy.
Oh, so it goes like this. I don't even know which one to go, because I have so many songs on the album. All right, so let's start with this one. Why you do me so? You said you know go. Now you leave me lonely. I don't cry since morning. You said if I follow you, you go follow me. No go tire for me. Now I dey follow you, you dey ignore shey you tire for me.
Woman, man. Wow.
Make I sing for you
now. You're singing to my soul. Now I get what you're saying.
You said if I follow you, you go follow me. No go tire for me. Now I dey follow you, you dey ignore shey you tire for me.
Wait, is this a true story?
You make I dey follow you like cow and the Fulani. Okay. Now I dey pour my pain and emotions through my melody.
Okay.
Now you know the bother. Now me dey suffer. You do me basa, my mind dey scatter. You know the bother. Now me dey suffer. You do me basa, my mind the scatter. Say you no believe me, wanna tell you say you go be. Now because of money, you leave me for sugar daddy. You do me sissy lolilo, ucho me toli. You do me sissy lolilo, ucho me toli. That thing where you do, no be small where you pay me, ma. I don't clear this thing where you show me. 1, 2, 3, nation zagi. Whoa. Why you don't give me wahala? One a day under your umbrella. You know go pick one and holla, my Angela. Why you do me so?
Fancy.
You know go.
This is a true story. You cannot tell me this is not a true story. I just got a free concert, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed that.
Yeah.
And
So
you know,
the title of this song is "Tired for Me."
Tired for you.
Yeah, "Tired for Me" is on the album.
Okay.
"Tired for Me."
Back to it. Is this a true story?
Oh no, it's just
Fancy.
I'm right.
We've been through this.
If I
the
got
girl know they like your matters, you know get.
I make another one.
How you start the get?
Wait.
Okay, I wait.
May I give you another one?
Give me another one.
It goes like this. If I come, make sure you come. Only you be my madam. Loving you no be haram. My Coca-Cola mixed with the lime. If I come, make sure you come. Only you be my madam. Loving you no be haram. My Coca-Cola mixed with the lime. Girl, now you waiting for my mind. I swear I no go lie. If you leave me, I go die. Yeah. Girl, now you waiting for my mind. I swear I no go lie. If you leave me, I go die. Yeah. Baby, send me your location. Build some me. And they come to promote the libation. Ooh, yeah. Oh, kerewa. You see to pass alewa. You are salama. Uncle Chekaji, garwa. For your love, I feel go jelly. No go promise to later fail you. From my heart, I take the love you. Girl, I no go here to tell you by you. If I come, make sure you come. If you don't come, now you sabi me. I come.
Yeah, you sabi bro, like.
Yeah, so many beautiful songs. And then I have come music on it.
Wow.
One song called Otilo.
Okay.
You know Otilo?
Tell me about that.
Otilo is a word from Nigeria. It's a Yoruba word.
Okay.
Otilo means it has fly away.
Okay.
Run away.
That was about a lady who left you.
It's about a lady.
Fancy, there's something that's in this album that you have to tell me. Maybe we have to come home, then we break bread, then we eat the Tuesday because you have to tell me something. Who's this lady, man?
It goes like this.
Okay.
Otilo featuring Kwame Music is a mad song that you need to listen. It goes like this.
Fancy, this has to be a true story.
Because I just say if I flow
I know. Give it to me.
It goes like this.
Song, man.
As you getting my money finish, Otilo. Now you dey form for me, Helena. All your sweetie talking na follow. Why you dey form for me, Helena? You choppy money finish, Otilo. Now you dey form for me, Helena. All your sweetie talking na follow. Why you dey form for me, Helena? Hey, you want to play me and delay me? Yeah. What do you mean? Baby waiting, how do you? You want to play me and delay me?
Okay.
Yeah. What do you mean? Now I take Kokongoro mixed with Ogogoro just to cool my temper. Bingo until Renzaso no do goro, no kukulu in temper. Shady why me? Baby shady why me? Now they think say we family. Afabeni my family. The way you do me, you tear my heart.
Oh man. When
you supposed to be the one to cool my heart, man. You want me for shaggy reason. You don't put my heart for prison. You don't put my heart for prison. You make a drain a shower season. Hey, no woman, no cry. As you getting my money finish, Otilo. Now you the phone for me, Helena. All your city talking na follow. Why you the phone for me, Helena?
Bro, you're gonna make boys in the studio cry. Can we get a round of applause in the background? There's so many people. Can we get a round of applause? We just got a free concert. My producer is so happy right now.
May I tell you?
Fancy.
The competition album is crazy.
That's music,
and
bro.
the last one, let me give you the last one.
Hey, okay.
The last one that I have with this one, I have this one with Last Mid. And you know, currently Last Mid is on top of his peak now, and then you know the ladies are loving him. This song is a beautiful song, and it is going to blow your mind. It goes like this. I'm coming.
Yeah, take your time, man. Get all the emotions out, bro. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Yeah, Helena, well, guess you're sending a text message, you know? You're replying our messages. You're sending Helena a message. How to tell her your mind. You see that thing like we don't go drink because of that girl. We would have even had this interview. Yeah, you see what she do? We go shop, we go shop. No. And I'm begging here, bro. Man, I'm getting a free concert. Fancy, take it away.
Charlie. It's okay.
Oh,
it's okay.
Man.
I'm getting emotional. It's okay.
Man. You see what you did,
so if you're watching us, you know, the album is out. The album is out. You can check it out on, you know, Boomplay, Audiomack, you know, Spotify, everywhere you can stream music. The competition album. I just sang 3 songs from the album. I don't want to sing everything for you. You need to go and get it yourself. Yeah.
Bro, thank you so much. But the thing is, you actually have, we're going to play the new video, Boxer.
Okay, yeah.
Tell us why that video first. Because, like you're saying, there's so many good songs on there.
Yeah,
like
so that is why I chose Boxer first, because the system is so hard. And then the Boxer talks about how, like, you know, hardship. Talks about how Ghana make hot. And then how to feed is very difficult for my people. And, you know, we are the mouth of the people, so we need to talk.
Okay.
And that is why I named this song Boxer. And the meaning of the Boxer is life has been beating us like boxing.
Oh.
Yeah, so Biagumeti Boxer. It means life has been beating me like a boxer.
Oh.
So,
Agumeti Boxer. Biagu. Meti.
Boxer.
Charlie DJ, knock me about today, bro.
So Boxer is a beautiful song. You have to check it out. It's on YouTube already. Okay. Beautiful video shot by Hassan. The director that's the name of the director.
Okay.
Hassan, and it's a beautiful.
And after all this, you have another concert coming up.
Oh yes.
In Accra.
In Accra. So my fans in Accra, watch out on the 25th of December. I know there's a lot of programs in Accra. But, you know, so we'll go pull through Gadam.
Okay, so we'll get to more details about that, but we're actually going to play Boxer now. Kindly introduce it, please.
Yeah, so it goes like this. Biagu meti boxer, yeri meti boxer. And the money capability to make money, opportunity, check and dream money, you ma. Manamba kabati opportunity, come bang something level infinity. Yeah. Nigeria in destiny, 50 cars in my company. Then you need to make money, or we go die trying. Hey, la ilaha illallahu, sumantani jikan shehu, Amadu Mujahi bello, Dambello, Isa bello. But that's a man la competition. Never ride them, I didn't die ever mission. Player, in young bass substitution, you live in young profession. Enjoy.
La ilaha illallah, sumantani jikan shehu, Amadu Mujahi bello, Dambello, Isa bello.
Bro.
Yeah, so my people are telling me no, I can't go without giving them the.
Oh, you have to. I'm not even going to allow that. Oh. You have to. So, Fancy's about to leave us, but before you actually sing that song, is there anything you want to tell your fans, people who supported you?
Yeah, so if you're watching me right now, if this is your first time watching me, you can follow me everywhere. The name is Fancy Gadam. If you just write Fancy Gadam, you go see some blue tick B attached here. That's my name. And then my album is out. I beg you, go stream to the album. It's everywhere. YouTube, you know, Audiomack, Boomplay, Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere. Just go and look for the album, the competition album. Just the songs that I sang earlier on, you know. Yeah, I know you love it. Yeah.
And one last thing too, your concert, 25th December. When is it happening?
Yeah, like 25th December at the Bukum Boxing Arena.
Okay.
And then I know the fan base can't wait. Yeah. Come out to your numbers. Yes. Let's prove a point.
Definitely. Now to the music before you leave.
Yeah. Girl, I no go make you this so far. Call on me if you need shoulder. Me and you no go do part time. This love no be regular. Together, you're my ride or die. I no go follow other girls, wallahi. Me, I no go fit to waste your time. This love no be regular, yeah. Oh, my baby, you know me, I love you so. I get what you need, and I go sing for you, my heart and soul. Oh, my baby.
I like that one. I really do. But you see, the girl you break on her heart tonight, they tell her say they love him again. Come on now.
This guy.
Fancy, thank you so much.
My brother,
God bless
thank you
you.
so much.
I wish you do bigger
Thank you
things.
so much.
Thank you for making time. Please find him, support him. I always say support. How else do we support than buying the music, then going to the contents, then playing the music, then posting and sharing? Again, I'm wishing my brother the absolute best. And please find him 25th December. We're going to be there, you know, at the Bukum Arena to support him even some more again.
Yeah, so I got love something you can confirm the
Oh,
show.
don't worry. We're talking about that after this. We're talking about that. So, guys, officially, I have to let him go. But we're going to talk about his content more, you know, in the coming weeks. I have Silverbird in the house. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.